Chief Opposition Whip parliamentarian Anura Kumara Dissanayake made a startling revelation on avant-garde in Parliament today.
It could be witnessed over the recent past that there were interference from political figures on matters of officials investigating acts of corruption and fraud. This could be clearly seen in the investigation process over the floating armoury and vessels of avant-garde.
No MP could make a statement on a judicial process or an ongoing judicial investigation.
Yes, Honourable Speaker, I am aware that injustice will be caused to many. But this subject which I am discussing right now is not a subject which is being heard at court whatsoever.
That a B report does not necessarily mean that a matter is sub judice, and this is, I concur with the Honourable Anura Kumara Dissanayake.
In relation to the transactions of avant-garde, I will try my best not to mention the court nor the Justice Minister. If needed, Honourable Speaker, I will refrain from speaking about the UNP organizer for the Galle district. We will not speak about the minister in charge of the police either. We could come to an agreement like that if need be. Instead of bringing those who engage in acts of corruption before the law, you have become their protectors. Honourable Speaker, I will not speak about the investigations on avant-garde, but members of the government interfered to protect its transactions. On 25 occasions, Avant-Garde Maritime Services Private Limited provided the Civilier Xavier with 3,080,000 rupees. They are not even being summoned for a statement at the very least. Officials are being sent to a location of their preference to obtain a statement. The Prime Minister is saying not a single weapon which was found at the floating armoury in Galle was given a licence from the government of Sri Lanka. Then the Prime Minister says again that the Attorney General has informed court that a case cannot be filed under the Firearms Act and the Explosives Ordinance. Either his first point should be right and his second wrong, or his second must be right and first must be wrong. Therefore, the statement made by the Prime Minister to this House on avant-garde is false. Nissanka Senadipati of avant-garde called us as well for a meeting. Minister Mangala Samaravira knows through whom they called. I will not mention his name for now. He said he wanted to meet us. We gave him a one-line answer. We have no reason to meet and nothing to say to Nissanka Senadipati. Whatever you have to say, go say it to the CID. While we give an answer like this, ministers go and meet him. Throw parties at night. Have you no shame? This is all we ask. You are just objects which could be easily bought for money, not humans.
නිකම් මුදල් වලට මිලදී ගත හැකි බහන්න මිනිස්සු නෙවෙයි. පොළට ගිහිල්ලා පොළ අවසන් වෙමින් එනකොට වේලිච්චි බටු ටික තොග ගන්නට විකුණනවා. තමුන්නාන්සලත් ඒ වගේ කුණු බහන්න වගේ මිකිනෙන මිනිස්සු.
That is a severe allegation made against the conduct of the Attorney General and Inspector General of Police, who are both responsible to this Parliament. So I propose that both these officials be summoned to Parliament and that they be inquired about their efficiency and progress, as Parliament is vested with that power. Because Parliament must summon those who could be summoned by the Parliament.
During the election campaign or just prior to that, the former president went to Kilinochchi and distributed gold jewelry to people who he said were the owners of that gold jewelry. Now this gold was taken into custody at the end of the war. In 2009, what was the president doing with that gold, the former president, doing with that gold jewelry for 5 years or 6 years? It obviously was in his custody for him to be able to go and distribute. Did he give it to his wife to wear them for ceremonies? What happened to the balance? Where is it? Where is the balance gold? Choose to treat the CEO of Avant-Garde this way, if you choose to treat the suspect in the Sil Reddy case in one way, where the information is one of offence against public property, if it's over 25,000 rupees, there's no bail. People languish in prison for years before they're able to show exceptional circumstances before getting bail. Here is a case of him being able to go to High Court directly and walk out as though he's just attended a party and going back home. I'm asking the question, why are the prisoners, why are the Tamil political prisoners treated differently? Is it because they are Tamils? We supported the change. We supported the change on several fronts. I'm concluding, sir. We supported the change on several fronts, also on anti-corruption. And if this is the way the government conducts itself, I'm afraid this government won't stand another year.
මම කිසිම දාක කිසිම දූෂණයකට සමාව දෙන්න කැමති පුද්ගලයෙක් නෙවෙයි.
I'm not a person who is in favor of pardoning any act of corruption or fraud. I took over a position under this government quite recently. Before this ministerial position that I hold now, I was a lawyer by profession. So I have provided legal advice to Mr. Senadipati, who is connected to this Avantgarde case as well. So when I was providing legal advice to him, I had no objections or was not subjected to immunity.
මට කිසිම අවහිරයක් හෝ කිසිම මුක්තියක් තිබුණේ නැහැ. ඔහුට එසේ මොකද මේ ජනවාරි මාසයේ මං කියන්න ඕනේ සේනාධිපති.
I must say that my client Senadipati has mentioned several facts to me which I possess with me as we speak, but I cannot disclose these facts because if I do, many here will be ashamed.
මං හිතන්නේ හුඟක් අයට ලැජ්ජා හිතේ.
The disclosure of your personal involvement
Yes.
in the capacity as a lawyer advising a client, you can still speak, but as you yourself said, you can't disclose.
No, but then this is relevant to the issue.
ජාත්‍යන්තර මුහුදේ තියාගත යුතු
A floating armory, which should be kept in international waters, is being docked at the Galle harbour. The Sri Lankan Navy is unaware of it, and neither does the police. It was the OIC who went and lodged a complaint on it.
OIC මහත්තයා තමයි ගිහලා පොලිස් පැමිණිලි කරේ.
මේ නව
This vessel had been anchored at the Galle harbour since October 2014. It is quite astonishing if anyone is saying that they do not see this vessel.
රණගේමකාරී මේක පුදුමයක්.
ඔතුමානේ පොලිසිය භාර අමාත්‍යවරයා.
පොලිසිය මේක
ඒ
වාර්තා කළා.
ගාලු
You are the minister in charge of the police, aren't you? I possess the B report which the OIC presented to the Galle magistrate. So what he is saying that he does not even know that such a vessel was there. So he suspects that he is unaware for what purposes these weapons were used.
මේ අවියායුධ වෙනත් දේවල් සඳහා උපයෝග කරගත්තත් දන්නෙත් නැහැ.
මේ නැවේ ඇති සෑම අවියායුධයක්ම හරියට ගන්න.
Every weapon in this vessel was subjected to an audit and it belongs to Ratna Lanka. We brought this vessel to the port as there was permission to bring in the vessel during high tides. We have the Defence Ministry document granting permission.
අවසරය තියෙනවා. ආරක්ෂක අමාත්‍යාංශයෙන් දීපු අවසරය තියෙනවා.
තුර මාස
Do you mean to say that the vessel was anchored at the Galle harbour for 4 months due to high tides?
නෙවෙයි.
දැන් ඔබතුමා
මේ නව මාරු කරන්නේ.
ඔබතුමානේ කිව්ව රළ නිසා කියලා.
මේක මේ ලකුණු මේක අර මිලේනියම් සිටි එක රේඩ් කරුවා වගේ අර
This is similar to the Millennium City raid carried out in 2002. The police went and carried out the raid in order to get some brownie points. These weapons are owned by the government.
මේ ආණ්ඩුව මාරු වෙච්ච එකම. මේවා ආණ්ඩුවට අයිති මේ ආයුධ.
දේශපාලකින් නිලධාරීන් ඩීල් කරුවන් කීප දෙනෙක් මේ රටේ මුළු සාරේ මුරාගෙන කනවා. ජීවත් වෙන්න විදිහක් නැතුව අමාරුකම නිසා පොඩි හොරකමක් කරන ඒගොල්ලෝ එල්ලලා දඬු කඳේ ගහනවා. මාසලත් එක්ක එකට යහනේ සතපෙන අය තමුන්වන්සලා එළියට දානවා. මේක තමුන්වන්සලාගේ නීතිය.